Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I feel like it's been a minute since I posted on this channel. Posted it earlier this week, but pretty much I got another influencer box. So if you don't know what influencer is, you're new to my channel, you just hopped on this video. Influencer basically gives you free products. I have a whole video, a whole spiel of my talk on influencer, how I get free boxes. I probably got, like, at this point 20 plus boxes, so, and I'm still getting boxes. So yeah, they just give you daily surveys, kind of trigger to see what you want. For a while I kind of stopped saying I wanted makeup because I wasn't using makeup, but this year I was like, 2022 Abigail, we're going to be using our makeup, pandemic or not, COVID or not. So I opted for makeup. So this time I actually got this one. That's the thing. So sometimes you don't know exactly, you'll know brands that you'll get, but you won't know exactly what the product is. So but anyway, I got this box this past Friday, I think. Yeah, anyway, so I got the KVD Beauty. This is the first time I'm trying this brand. But yes, I was gifted the KVD Beauty Apple products, the concealer and the balm, I believe. So as you guys can see, this is the box. I don't want to show my address, but yeah, they give you the box. These are the two products. This is their Vegan Beauty, sorry, did I say, yeah, Vegan Beauty Good Apple Skin Perfecting Foundation Balm. And then I got their Good Apple Lightweight Full Coverage Concealer. So I'm going to speed up in a lot of parts because I really want to just focus on these two products. I haven't done makeup in a minute, so bear with me. But I pretty much feel like I have a consistent, like, routine on how I do, like, the steps I do with my makeup. So
maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories. But I don't even know what's next. But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk.
alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the Good Apple. Oh, the shade that I got, didn't tell you guys. I got the Tan 068. So like I said, we hope that the color matches my skin, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be a little, you know, a little sad. Oh, first of all, I love the packaging. This is really cute. And then it says on the back, Good Apple on it. So as you guys can see, this is the color. Hopefully this matches my skin. I'm kind of thinking I should have got a darker shade now, but I just use a sponge because it's just easier to do it that way.
I just sleep talk, that's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
Okay, so luckily, sorry, I was just looking at this. I'm gonna put a little bit more, but luckily it blended right in my skin because I was there is gonna be, you know, like when you put makeup. One time I did get makeup, and after I looked at the video, I was just like, Abigail, why did you put this video up? But I already put it up. I mean, it did get a lot of views, but that particular product, I don't remember if it was the foundation or the concealer, it did not blend well with my skin. And yeah, I looked really like, you know how you look lighter than you really are. It didn't blend properly. So yeah, concealer, it's Tan 164. That is the color or shade I chose. So we shall see. If only I can open this packaging. Okay, this packaging is cute as well. I like the little like ombre illusion that it gives. That's really cute. Alright. Okay, so this is a stick situation. I'm not going to do too much because I just feel like this is really light. Too light for me. I don't know. Something about it is really light, and it's a little like. And then you guys, so when I was switching out my battery because it had died from all this filming, you see, this is why you listen to yourself the first time. I looked and the shades definitely did not match my skin, and that is pretty unfortunate. But I'm not gonna even blame these. I'm not gonna even blame the KVD. I'm blaming myself because I didn't know. I personally don't know. Like, I feel like when it comes to foundation and stuff like that, this is why I like to go. I always go to the store to buy foundation and stuff of that nature, because if I don't, I'm gonna pick the wrong shade. And what do you know? I picked the wrong shade. So here's my final thoughts. Because of that, I'm not gonna bash the company. That's totally 100% my fault because I didn't know. They showed you a list of shades, but I'm still like, and it takes me a while too, you guys. I look through all the shades. I'm like, what looks more like my shade? What looks like the foundation I currently have? So that's my fault. Sometimes I get makeup products and I do great with the matching of the skin, and sometimes it's horrible, and I don't know. But these, they don't match my skin. So I did save the look, but I'm telling you guys the real, because some of this stuff I'm chopping out because half of this, even from the eyeshadow look to everything else, I'll leave everything I used though for my eyeshadow. I may keep it in the clips. I don't know. I'll leave it down below though what I use for my eyeshadow and stuff like that. But I wasn't about to embarrass myself on this good YouTube video. So I mean, like I said though, but aside from that, I do like their packaging. I think it's cute. I like this design of the packaging, and I like the ombre for the concealer. So yeah, maybe in the future I'll try it, but again, I have so many products. The way I was able to save it, let's talk about that, because I was looking crazy. I actually just went in with a Sephora foundation that I have. Now this one, I actually physically went to the store to purchase. I tried like different scents, different shades to see what matched, and this matched my skin perfectly. So that's how I saved it. I just put that on there and blended it up, and this is the look I have now. Hopefully I still don't look like I'm crazy, because if I still do, I'm squashing this video completely. But yeah, and then for my lips, I just did some, I paired Fenty Beauty along with no, this is not the, Sorry. It was Fenty Beauty and Urban Decay, and for some reason Urban Decay somewhere else. I don't know. Look. And yeah. So like I said, everything that I use that is not going to be in this video because I'm going to chop out a lot of stuff, I'll leave it down below in the what do you call this, in the description box. I'll leave like headings so that you guys know, like, this is what I use for my eyes, this is what I use for my lips, this is what I use for foundation, which I kind of just told you guys, but I added something else to the mix to save this look because I do kind of want to film content since I did this makeup look before I take it all off. So yeah, but anyway, make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, you hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you're notified every time I post a new video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.